die rotor disassembly video. Take the top shell off the rotor, flick up the lid, pull up on this little tab here, press in on the button, and just pull, put that out of the way. And to take this bit off, you got to do is push on this tab here until it pops up. And then uncatch this, and then just pull it out. And that's pretty much it, unless you want to take the battery pack out. It just pulls out and puts back in, but it's too fiddly for me to do now. And then to assemble the rotor, put the gears back in. It's back on top. Just slots on. Put this in. Back on top again, it just slots on. Bit fiddly that. Put the catches back on. Place this back on top. And then just put your fingers under here and push back on into the clicks. And that's all working. And then put the top shell of your rotor back on. Just push in. Press this button in, push it on, press the cap down, put the lid back on, and you're done.